Welcome! In this demo, you'll learn how to create and approve goods receipt notes, perform quality checks, and manage GRN documentation in Hellobooks. Start by opening the Purchases section from the left sidebar. Then, select Goods Receipt to view and manage all your received inventory. Now hit Create GRN to begin recording a new goods receipt note. Here, choose how to create your GRN. Let's create it from an existing purchase order. Now, pick the purchase order you want to receive goods against, then click Select to proceed. Now enter the receipt details like GRN number, received by, and quality status. Then check the line items from your purchase order and adjust the received quantity if needed. Once everything looks correct, hit Save to create the GRN. Your GRN is now saved. Review the complete receipt summary and billing total here. Click the Quality Check section to inspect and update the quality assessment. Now, choose the inspection result from the Quality Status dropdown. Enter the inspector name, date, and any remarks. Then, click the Update Quality button to save the quality check status. After that, click the Mark as Approved button to finalize the GRN approval. Your GRN is now approved. See the updated status and quality reflected in the list.